In smartphone photography, the iPhone camera stands tall as a symbol of innovation and excellence. With its powerful lens and advanced features, the iPhone camera empowers users to capture stunning images and create lasting memories. One such feature that elevates the iPhone camera experience is the timer function. This tutorial will provide you with step-by-step instructions and valuable tips to help you use the camera timer. Launch the camera app on your iPhone. If you do not find it on your home screen, you can swipe from right to left until you reach the app library. Please right on the search camera and tap on it. Tap the arrow icon pointed up located at the top of the screen. It will enable a new row on the bottom. There, we have the timer. Tap the timer icon located at the top of the screen. It resembles a clock face with 3 dots. Choose the desired timer duration from the options provided, 3 seconds or 10 seconds. Position your iPhone and frame the shot as desired. Press the volume up button or the camera shutter button to initiate the timer. The timer will start counting down, and the camera will automatically capture the photo at the end of the countdown. What are some other additional tips for using the iPhone camera timer? Use a tripod or a stable surface to keep your iPhone steady during the timer countdown. Ensure that the lens is clean and free of smudges or fingerprints. Adjust the camera settings, such as exposure and focus, before starting the timer. Consider using the burst mode feature along with the timer to capture a series of photos in quick succession. Experiment with different angles and perspectives to add creativity to your timer shots. You know now how to use the timer on the iPhone camera. From capturing stunning selfies to coordinating group photos, the timer function opens up a world of possibilities for your iPhone photography adventures. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching.